Being a defense attorney is very interesting because you get the case from the plaintiff's attorney and you look at it, at least I did, and through the entire 20 years that I practiced as a defense attorney, it felt this way, especially if it comes from a good litigator. You get the case and you say, how in the world am I going to defend this? And then you read it again. And then you start looking at the medicine and you say, wait a second. There's a few things that aren't really here that we need to think about, and we need to get an expert who will tell us about this. That was where I fed in to the defense firm. I could find an expert who knew about that issue. Not an expert who necessarily agreed with what the defense wants, but an expert who knew about that issue. And it was very important to me that this guy was not going to be our expert, or at least give us an opinion, because he just wanted to make some money, but because he had the literature behind him, and with that literature he had the knowledge, and he could say, yeah, you can defend this case, or no, you can't. That was very important to me, and I think it was very helpful to the defense firm, because you don't want to put a lot of money into a case you can't defend. And I think that was very important to my growing up in medical litigation.